Why did you get this pack? Because it's so good.
Yeah. Because I like you guys.
Oh, it is pretty good.
I know y'all.
Is it? I want to try. Can I get it?
It's because he loves us. So right now, I'm meeting my friend just to hang out. I haven't seen her in a really long time. I don't even remember the last time. I need food right now. Not her driving me around now.
I hadn't even seen your house.
Oh yeah, you should come in later if you want.
Yeah, well, I want to see. Well, this is my ear. Maybe I can put my hair down. Maybe it's fine.
Wait, look at my hair. I have long hair. I do like it. It also grew out a lot. You could tell. I like it. Yeah. And then it's a perm. Yeah. Ooh, my hair looks good.
Mine does not look good. Oh my god, no.
I already did mine.
In a month and a half.
I haven't been to the gym in probably like over a year. Like not even like over like 2 years, honestly.
This is the longest I ate.
So we just got Jenny's ice cream.
Like-
What flavors did you get?
I got coffee with cream. I forgot.
Probably cream and sugar.
Yeah. Oh, cream and sugar, and then milkiest chocolate.
I got the milkiest chocolate and the honey vanilla. I'm surprised.
Huh? That didn't get vanilla?
Yeah.
I know.
Wait, I saw
try
this for a second.
Try it. That you got something.
That's good.
Huh?
From Jenny's ice cream. They didn't have cookies and cream though.
8.5 out of 9.
Out of
9.
10.
Out of 10.
I don't know.
8.5 out of 10.
I would say 3.9 out of 5. A smaller scale. Okay, bye.
Dinner.
Okay, well, we're gonna be in a slant because Killian doesn't have a good place to put her phone. Killian, when did we meet? Tell the viewers when we met and how.
How do we meet? Interesting story.
Tell my 43 subscribers how we met.
We met in high school, 9th grade, right after I got my braces. Important part of the story.
No, not.
Oh no,
yeah,
right.
before.
Mm-hmm.
And you were like, "Do they hurt?" And
No,
I was
it's
like,
because I had the spacers.
yeah, something like that. And it was in
Yeah,
gym
spacers.
class. Who was our PE teacher?
It was our PE.
Monhe.
It was
Monhe.
I had Mohe twice. Yeah,
I only
Mohe.
had him once.
Yeah, I did actually.
Yeah, and then
I forgot I was young.
we met each other freshman year of high school, and now we're turning 23 this year
I mean, you're turning 23 like now.
in a month.
No, we're girls. We gotta lock this door.
I was just gonna do that, but I couldn't find it.
But yeah, we met now, and now we're old. Well, how
We're
old were we
so
then?
old.
Wait, how old were we then? Like 15?
We were 15. Oh my god, and now we're turning 23 this year.
I mean, I
That's
can imagine
8 years.
I'm like 5.
Okay, I'm done.
Then how'd you finish? Have I just been talking?
Yeah, you were the one talking.
What the frick?
Oh,
I still have like my whole life ice cream.
Wait, I was like,
No.
the vanilla?
The honey, it added an extra like layer.
I think I like the vanilla better than the chocolate actually. Well,
That's
actually,
like a cute ass dog. That
I
dog
really-
was smiling at me.
it is a cute dog. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. I was in the middle of talking to you, and then you just pulled out the camera. Right now we're getting boba. I'm getting the watermelon pineapple green tea, and I'm getting the strawberry green tea. after this, what are we doing? We're gonna go prepare for this so-called storm that's coming. Oh, you look so pretty.
Oh my gosh, is it Justin Bieber?
So I got the. Did you know in Korea right now there's a trend? There's a photo booth trend where the camera's up here, and that's how people are posing.
Oh really?
This is a strawberry green tea.
Rachel, you should pose like him.
This is good.
Really?
Yeah. It's very jasmine-y. It's not that sweet.
Oh, I like it. I want to take a picture of it.
It's very jasmine-y. There's like chunks of strawberry. You can tell. Can you try yours? So, we're preparing for the storm, and my boyfriend told me to go get a generator.
I think this is like wand stuff.
Oh. I don't really know. Yeah, so we're just two girls trying to get a portable generator. Okay, wish us luck. Bye. So this is cute. Should we ask?
This looks like something.
OMG, guys. Like, the world is seriously about to end right now.
Oh my gosh, sis.
Oh my gosh, do you hear the sirens?
Like, okay, should I read the text?
Oh my gosh. Okay, bye.
Like, literally the worst angle.
Okay, let me show you guys my fit for tonight. I'm gonna hang out with some girlfriends back from Jersey. Just wearing a skirt, slow shirt, and my little booties. This is some makeup. How are we feeling? I did nothing special. It's like the same makeup that I usually do, but I'm very sweaty. My lips are very pink because I have a lip tint, and then I have my other lip tint on. Guys, so right now we just got out of the club. How are we feeling?
Yeah, I'm like thirsty. I need a second.
I do need water. Yeah, we need.
So thirsty.
There's just everyone's interested in Minhee over here.
Hot camaraderie.
We're just trolling though. Okay, bye. See you guys later.